Guys, are you ready? Then take a look.
Cayman!
No, I'm not a magician. It's just furniture that responds to your voice, and this is just the beginning. Today I'm going to show you an entire area where the furniture works like technology from the future. It's also in the English version.
Cayman!
I love my job. Have you ever wondered if a home is more than just a bedroom and a kitchen? It's also a place where you restore your energy. And what do you need for that? Exactly, a proper lounge area where you can relax. Today is all about that. Furniture that will elevate your home bar, billiard room, or dining area. Automated wine cabinets, sideboards, poker tables, and even roulette wheels. Everything you need to create the ultimate entertainment space right at home. A hedonist's paradise. And here is our first bar countertop. Guys, it doesn't matter if you have a big group of friends over or if you live alone and come home after a long day at work. Just press this beautiful button and a stunning bar rises right up from inside. You can impress your friends or simply enjoy it yourself. Just press the button and wait. Wait for that very bar to appear. Imagine this. It's evening. You've finished all your tasks for the day. Ambient music, dim lighting, Frank Sinatra playing in the background. It's just you in this spectacular bar top. What could be better? All right, let's get back to the basics. What do we have here? We have a slatted, wave-like facade that adds rich texture. Right here, it's equipped with a dual-zone refrigerator to chill your drinks. As for the top, we have a natural marble countertop. Everything looks harmonized and sophisticated. Guys, while we take a tactile feel of these facades here, I'll hand it over to Matt V, the founder of GLOBUS.
The main thing you're buying from us isn't just furniture, it's your free time. While Vlad is visiting factories, our team of 30 staff from buyers to logistics experts is working on current projects. Over 15 years of experience, we've perfected turnkey furnishing. Our personalized approach means we take on all the routine and stress. Ready to delegate your interior to us? Go to our website and submit a request for complete furnishing, and we'll give you a free estimate for all items.
This next model will definitely not leave you indifferent. It looks like something completely unreal. When I first saw it, I thought, this looks like a Hobbit House, and behind these doors lies a magical world. By the way, we can test what's behind these leaves with a single touch. No fairy tale world here, but instead there's storage space for glasses and spirits. You can also place some books, magazines, or print media here. Down below, we have a storage drawer. I'm not sure what you'd store in here, but you can definitely put something. It's there. At the base, we have two solid blocks of marble holding up this entire circular structure. It features a metal trim. And you're probably going to ask me, Vlad, what if I come home exhausted after work, reach for a glass, and suddenly fall asleep? Won't these doors pinch my hand? Honestly, I don't know. Let me take it for a test drive. If it comes to that, I'll risk my health, but I'll give it a try because it's a reasonable question. Let's close the shutter. My hand is right here. No, see, everything's moving out of the way, everything's working, I'm fine. Amazing. But I want to single out this factory in particular. If you like high-quality, heartfelt furniture, you should definitely check it out. This factory has been in business for 20 years and has mastered the art of woodworking. The design of the facades deserves special attention. A three-dimensional woven pattern made of dark wood that really catches the eye. Here, they create completely unique pieces based on their own designs, from storage systems to upholstered furniture. In the center is a curved boucle sofa. Flanking it are sculptural coffee tables with ebony bases and travertine tabletops in various shades. The dining area and bar blend seamlessly with the lounge area thanks to the same slatted facade texture. Overall, the space looks luxurious, harmonious, and exceptionally prestigious. It would seem just an ordinary marble table. A brass base, wavy lines, veneer, varnish. So what? But I press the button again, and it transforms from ordinary to extraordinary once more. This marble countertop soars upward to reveal its built-in bar with drinks and glasses. The party is already in full swing, and everyone wants to celebrate some happy occasion. If you're the host of this party, if this is your table, you can make it look as impressive as possible to entertain the crowd, who are sitting there eagerly awaiting the moment the drinks start flowing. It slides out as smoothly as possible, and it can hold a very wide variety of items, enough for even the largest group. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like it? Does it take long time or not so long? Please share your thoughts. And here it is, that very futuristic object from the very beginning. Probably the most charismatic object in this showroom. Look at the geometry here. It's like an uncut crystal. There are no handles to open it. It's controlled only by remote or voice. Everything rests on massive marble slabs. The whole structure resembles a turtle's shell. And it's a self-contained art object. Cái Mỹ. I love it when people listen to me. And if it's also a piece of furniture, well, of course, that evokes certain emotions. The only thing I'd add here, probably some kind of LED lighting so you can see what's going on inside. Or maybe it's there, but they just turned it off. Inside, it's a full-fledged bar, a dark marble countertop, backlit glass shelves, and pull-out sections. When closed, it's a pure piece of interior sculpture, and when open, a high-tech beverage station. It's the combination of handcrafted veneer and hidden electronics that makes a piece like this truly prestigious. Here we have a ready-to-use game area, a poker table. You can sit here with friends and have a great time. It's all electronic. In a moment, this table will lift up, creating a spot to place your glasses. There's also a slot for chips, for those who like to play. There's a cabinet here that's completely captured my attention. It looks incredibly beautiful and has such rich texture. Take these three-dimensional rounded wooden panels shaped like roof tiles. But, in my opinion, is right here. This diagonal bevel made of brass handles. I'm going to grab them now and open it. What a sight. There's even LED lighting, which, by the way, highlights the walnut grain. Everything is visible. Everything is beautiful. There's storage for wine glasses. Here you go. Even if your glasses are wet or damp, just slide them in like this, and they'll, all by themselves, dry out right there. In addition to the series, the factory produced this semicircular console sideboard. It features the same signature tile-patterned milling. The body appears to float on a brass base, and on top is a solid light-colored marble countertop with dark veins. And this is a compact version of the bar theme, a small, tall, black cylindrical table, but it transforms from a cylindrical table into a full-fledged bar-style table, small, seating 2, 3, or, well, 4 people at most. I think it would work well in a small interior or a compact space to create a sense of privacy. It would fit perfectly in a home office. Here we have glass holders, so the whole thing slides out on a metal support. The top is marble and the base has a large brass leg. It looks very nice and, of course, impressive. Again, the marble tabletop rises up. Well then, ladies and gentlemen, the bets are in. No more bets. That's the dramatic opening I came up with before presenting this beige table, a futuristic beige roulette table. While I'm talking, let's turn on our electronics, let the bar roll out to us, and let's take a look at it. And I'll start the roulette wheel right now. Here's this futuristic beige table. I've never seen anything like it. What do I want to point out? Here we have a stunning beige, leather, soft rim, which is immediately comfortable to lean on, play, watch the game, bluff, and place bets. Everything is great. And just like that, the bar has rolled out for drinks, so we don't get distracted from the game itself. This is a true carpentry, and I'm not afraid to say it, masterpiece, made from horizontal slats like these, out of natural walnut. It reminds me of a beehive, as if bees were about to fly out of it right now. I look at it and can't even begin to imagine how much time went into it. It must have been such painstaking hard work. The brass base of the leg, the green marble. And here's a little quiz for you. How many drawers do you think we have here? I'll give you 3 seconds. We have 4 drawers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very heavy, substantial, but everything works smoothly. The hardware is high quality. Everything glides effortlessly. I think this will enhance absolutely any space. We also have a versatile piece like this. I love it. And the collection continues. A dining set with the same DNA. Here we have this beautiful marble tabletop, oval, green. It looks really substantial, and in person, it's just massive. I don't know if the camera captures it or not, but it's perfect for a very large gathering. The base features a carved walnut support that holds up this beautiful tabletop, paired with brass accents. Everything comes together seamlessly here. It looks completely natural. I'd like to say a few words about the chair. It blends seamlessly with this marble table. The base features a conical brass leg that adds a touch of elegance. Let's try sitting in it now. Is it comfortable? I haven't sat in it yet. Oh, it's great. It supports your back too. Amazing. The seat is deep. Of course, I'd miss having armrests for complete comfort, but you probably don't need them when you're sitting at a table. And for dessert, this piece, well, I don't know. It's practically a work of art. It's a composition with pull-out round modules. It offers plenty of storage space. You can put things in it and slide them in like this. By the way, the crystals and patterns, all of this is made from Swarovski crystals. So it all slides back. Well, I don't understand how you could store anything here. For one thing, it's inconvenient, impractical. Well, as a self-contained piece, it's sure to impress anyone. It won't fit into every interior, of course, and it won't suit everyone. But overall, it's a decent self-contained sculpture. It can definitely enhance a space, that's for sure. Here's a lounge area like this. Furniture that opens with your voice, raises the bar from the table, and glows from within. By the way, just a couple of years ago, this seemed like something out of a sci-fi movie, but now it's right here in the showroom. And you know what the best part of all this is? That any of these items can be delivered right to your home. If you found something you like, send us your design plan, and we'll calculate the cost of all the items for free. The link is below the video. Let us know in the comments which item caught your eye the most. Maybe the voice-activated bar or the poker roulette table. We at GLOBUS curate turnkey interiors straight from Foshan. See you in China. Bye-bye.